Let's look at all the zeros, i.e. the x-intercepts of a polynomial. So sometimes we have multiple zeros at the same time. So if you are looking at a polynomial that is x to the power of, I don't know, 6 degree, for example, okay, plus whatever, chances are you can probably factorize it into groups. Maybe you will get x minus 1, x plus 2, and every single one of this bracket is different. Okay, x minus 3, x plus 4, x minus 5, and x plus 6, for example. That means there are 6 x-intercepts, and because it is a positive, it's an even power, that means both two ends are going to end up in the same direction, and the leading coefficient is a positive 1, so they're both going to go like that. What this looks like is it's going to hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each one of them will refer to one of the zeros. Okay, that's the easiest way to look at this. However, sometimes you get a multiple zero, and multiple zeros you do need to know what's going on. So for example, again, let's consider a 6-degree polynomial. Sometimes you might get a single root here, you might get a double root here, you might get a triple root here. Okay, let's just go to triple root. 3 times. Okay, so we see that this one is 1, 2, 3. That means there is 1 0 here. This is a single zero. There is a double zero, and this is a triple zero. If that is the case, what would this graph look like? This graph will look like, I'm looking at this, so I've got 1. Sorry, positive 1 is here, positive 3 is here, and the other one is at negative 2. So at positive 1, it is a single zero. So at positive 1, it is single zero. At positive negative 2, it is a double zero. And finally at positive 3, it is triple zero. Okay, so what does the graph look like? First of all, I know it's x to the power of 6, so two ends are going to both point up because the leading coefficient is also positive. At x equals to negative 2, let's look at the green one. It's a double zero. Double zero means it's going to bounce. Then we're going to go to the second one, which is the yellow one. The yellow root is at x equals to 1. That is a single zero. That means it's going to pass through it like a straight line. The last one at negative 3. Negative 3 is a triple zero. Triple zero is a wriggle. Later you will learn this is called an inflection point. Okay, that's a wriggle. There we go. And that is what this polynomial looks like.